और ये
करके देख रहा हूँ मैं बोला पहचानोगे कि नहीं, तुमने बोला देखा ही नहीं है शायद।
अरे good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to Triumph showroom to try out some bikes. So let's reach there. Rahul Mane is gonna meet me and it's around 11:40. So I'll reach there in 5 minutes. It's just nearby my place. I'm not buying it right now, but yes, just testing it out. लेने वाला तो कुछ नहीं हूँ, बस देखने जा रहा हूँ. So Rahul Mane has reached. और ये
करके देख रहा हूँ मैं बोला पहचानोगे कि नहीं, तुमने बोला देखा ही नहीं है शायद।
अरे आरसी में याद ही नहीं है ना.
और
अभी किधर श्योर
हाँ
चालू है.
हाँ चालू है।
मैं ट्रायम्फ ऐसे ही.
अच्छा ओके। और आ रहे हो शॉप पे इसके बाद?
हाँ आता हूँ मैं.
चलो
चलेगा चलेगा.
कॉल करो।
हाँ हाँ. So I'm riding the Triumph Tiger 900, just a test ride. So last time when I had taken a test ride of my friend's bike, that was Tiger 800, Tanay's bike, and this is the 900, which is sleek and the design is good. It's not that appealing that the 800 had, but looking at the speedometer or the TFT screen in front, it's very wide and huge. So as of now I am liking the bike. It's smooth. The power is great. It has many more modes and everything. It has the heated grips. I'll just take a short round and then go back and give the test ride bike. So it has the cruise control and modes. So it has rain mode, road mode, sports mode. Off-road, rain. Let's try the sports mode. So right now I'm on the sports mode. So the bike is light and not too heavy. So this has the cruise control also button. So this is a 3-cylinder 900cc bike. So the windscreen is the adjustable one. If you see, it can go, it's on the last setting right now, it can go down. I'll just take a U-turn and go back. Till now the bike is performing well. So what I feel the difference from riding KTM Adventure 390 onto this Tiger 900 is that the seat height is lower and it is a bit easy for me now to stand on the bike. So that's Rahul on his verses. We are going back home. Chalo, bye. Ending this video over here. Do subscribe to my channel. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. My ID is silentbiker_kv. So bye bye.